2850 is back on the diet feeder. It's been back on the diet feeder for the past few evenings. 6.4 had to be taken off the feeder because it was needed on other jobs. But I have to say it's great to have it back on the feeder. It's very manoeuvrable around the sheds compared to the 6.4. There's a lot less reversing forward and backwards. Just drive into position and start to discharge straight away. You don't need the lump of wobbling pipe at the back trying to work the controls. Not that I got a dab hand at working them with it, but yeah, it's great to have it back and in action. It's really nearly back doing all its old jobs this week. It was tedding earlier in the week, as you might have seen in the video I put up, and then it also was back on the baler this evening. So yeah, a bit of footage of that, and I'll put that up at the end. We had a bale, I think it was about 700 bales of straw for a neighbour of ours. So yeah, a bit of footage of that, and yeah, the 2850 looked very well whilst baling the straw. Oh, sorry, hay. What's wrong with me? Hay. It looked very well while baling the hay, I have to say. But yeah, great to have it back in use. We sold our mower last week. I mentioned we were going to sell it. 3124. A couple of really nice guys from Kerry come up on last Saturday evening and purchased it, took it away with them. Yeah, so hope Kieran he's going to use it this week, Kieran. So hope he gets it working and it works well with him. It's sold with lots of luck to him because it was very good mower, very good for us, and yeah, hope it lasts in many years to come. We made a new purchase on the farm. We purchased a new mower last week ourselves, so I haven't really done the reveal of it yet. You haven't seen it yet, but I'll do that tomorrow. I did take a wee bit of footage when I was mowing with it a couple of nights ago, and yeah, anyone who follows me on Snapchat might have seen a couple of videos that I put up when I was using it. So yeah, I'll do a bit of a walk around on it, and we'll have a look at it tomorrow night, and then, as I say, have a bit of footage of it then as well that we can stick up and see it working. But yeah, that's really it. It was just tedding. I tedded out the hay today that we mowed yesterday, hoping that the weather will stay with us and that we'll get it made. Away at the end of next week, next Thursday. We go over to the British Grand Prix in Silverstone, and we make that trip every year. And yeah, so the pressure's on to have it done before we go away. So we'll just have to see how we get on. Fingers crossed. But yeah, so I'm gonna put on the bit of footage I have of the baling taking place. And yeah, be back tomorrow. We'll do a walk around on the moor, and maybe get a bit of footage as well of the tedding going on. Yeah, we're tedding with the 6.4 at the minute. So that's it. Until then, hope you enjoyed this bit of footage. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you tomorrow.